If you are looking to buy a tonneau cover for your new truck in the next few weeks, I need you to stop what you're doing right now. Stop, listen to this ad for a couple seconds, and then if you don't think what I'm saying makes sense, watch whatever video you were gonna watch, okay? So there is a better way than going down the rabbit hole of looking at endless reviews and installation videos and what did Peter think and what did John think and all that kind of stuff. It's really simple. You need to go over to TonneauCovered.com, fill out one of the forms, either get the buyer's guide or just fill out the form and let them know whether you know what you want yet or not. You're looking for a price or you're still trying to figure that out. And then get in touch. One of their sales team will email you and you can just give them a call. They'll go through everything, no matter where you are in the country, whether you're worried about snow, whether you're worried about sand, whether you're worried about waterproofing, is it security, how hard is it to put on. They deal with just tonneau covers. It's all they do. They are experts and they make it super, super easy to get the perfect cover for what you need at an unbeatable price. I mean, they have to. That's all they do is tonneau covers. So they've got to be good at it and they've got to be able to get the sale. So you're probably going to buy from them if you talk to one of their team on the phone, and that's not a bad thing. They're going to save you time and they're going to save you money. So again, if you're looking for a retracts, a backflip, an undercover, a trifecta, or an X-Tang trifecta, a tuxedo, access, all of those, they have them all. They have factory direct pricing and they do unbelievable deals, but they are going to make it so much easier on you if you just call them and talk to one of the team. They will point you in the right direction. It doesn't matter whether you have a Chevy Silverado or you have a Ram with Ram boxes or you want to add a toolbox, which can change the fitment for your vehicle, or you're worried about the safety light on the back of your truck being visible when the tailgate is up, or you have a multifunctional tailgate. They know all of these things and they're going to make it super easy to make sure that you avoid the worst possible situations of buying a tonneau cover online. And that is really simple. The wrong one showing up and then you having to deal with a return after you've unboxed this thing. It's not pretty. I can tell you, I've seen it happen. It's ugly. Avoid it. Call them. Make it simple and don't make me feel like I wasted my time doing this extremely expensive advertisement video. There's a lot of money put into this production, okay? A lot of money. I'm just kidding. Either way, that doesn't mean that this isn't a great fit. Thousands of people a month use Tonneau Cover to save money and save a lot of hassle and get the perfect cover for their needs. So go over there. Again, use the link of this video or you can just visit. It is TonneauCovered.com.